I found a new and easiest niche that is blowing right now, and it can be done in under 5 minutes. As per Social Blade, this channel is making a minimum of $15,000 in 1 month. Also, this channel gained 669,000 subscribers in just 8 months. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to create these channels. But before that, let's watch one popular video from this channel. As you see, creating these types of videos is not hard. Also, it doesn't take time because we will create these videos using AI. So, without any further delay, let's get started. Step 1. Downloading relaxing videos. Go to YouTube and search for relaxing videos. After that, click on the filter and choose Creative Commons for fair use. So that the videos you use are not copyrighted, they are under fair use. Okay, now choose any relaxing video. Either short or long-form content doesn't matter. Choose any video because we can customize it afterward. After we choose the video, download it, you can search on Google. There are many video downloaders available, so choose any one of those, as I cannot mention in the video due to some restrictions. So after we downloaded the video, let's jump on to step 2, which is generating the script for this as usual. I will be using ChatGPT. So let's ask ChatGPT to write a short, funny story within 60 seconds, and remember to keep it in simple language. Okay? Now ChatGPT has generated the entire script. But I suggest you check the script before you're done. So after we generate the script, let's jump to step 3, which is generating voiceover. For voiceover, I will use 11 Labs, because 11 Labs is free. Also, I have tried many AI voices over, but 11 Labs is the best. Generate realistic speech with the most advanced AI voice model ever. You can create AI voices in minutes and instantly convert text to speech online in any language. AI voice generator supports 29 languages and all diverse accents. So now let's choose an avatar for the new AI voice. You don't need to try all the voices. There is an explanation for every voice below it that says, is it for a story, or narrator, or audiobook? So for this video, I will choose Dorothy. Okay. Now let's paste the script, and let's wait for 11 Labs to generate the voice. Okay, now we have the voice for our video. So after we generated the voiceover, let's jump to the final step, which is editing. For video editing, I will use CapCut, because it's free and easy to use. So first let's import all the videos and voiceover that we generated. Enter the video and audio into the timeline, where we will begin editing it. After that, adjust the audio to a lower level, and if the video is longer, divide the entire video into smaller parts of under 3 seconds, else your channel might be restricted from monetization. Okay? Now let's add some transitions to make it more appealing and generate an automatic caption. After that, let's customize it. At last, let's add background music from the YouTube audio library, or you can even download copyright-free music from Pixabay. For this video, I will use the YouTube audio library music. So after the editing is complete, click Export to export the video. Let's see it.
Once upon a time, in the quirky town of Giggleville, there lived a chicken named Chuck. Chuck wasn't your ordinary chicken. He dreamed of becoming a stand-up comedian. One day, Chuck waddled into the local comedy club. Feathered funnies. The crowd stared at him, puzzled. Chickens weren't known for their comedy chops. Undeterred, Chuck strutted up to the mic and
I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. See you in the next one.